Hi friends, this is Problems on Trains video part 8, and here we are going to discuss the question based on data sufficiency. So what is data sufficiency? So in data sufficiency we will be given one question. So what is the question here? What is the length of a running train crossing another 180-meter long train in the opposite direction? The question is, if a train is crossing another train in the opposite direction, right, and the length of the other train is 180 meter, then find out the length of, suppose this is train 1 and this is train 2, so find out the length of the train 1. This is the question what they are asking with the data. The data is only length of the second train is known. Now you have to tell, there are two statements are given, so you have to tell statement 1 you can get the answer or you can tell the answer, or from a statement 2 you can tell the answer, or after combining S1 and S2 both the statement you can tell the answer, or after combining both of that also you cannot tell the answer or you cannot find out the answer, right? So this is your data sufficiency question. So now let's take statement 1. Statement 1 that telling the relative speed of the true train was 150 kilometer per hour, right? So the relative speed is given, means suppose this is S1 and this is S2, so S1 plus S2 is given 150 kilometer per hour, means we have the speed also, right? And but time is not given, right? And length of the first train and plus length of the second train will be what? Distance. So from the statement 1 alone we cannot find out the answer. The reason is time is not known, right? And they are asking the length. So see, there will be only one equation, d is equals to st, but how many variables are there? There are two variables which is not known. So time and the length of the first train is not known, length of the second train is known, which is nothing but 180 meter. So from the statement 1 alone we cannot find the answer. Now let's involve with statement 2. Statement 2, the train took 9 seconds to cross each other. So in the statement 2 time is given 9 seconds. So from the statement 2 alone also we cannot find out the answer, right? Because in the statement 2 they have given only the time, which is from which we cannot find the answer. Now combine statement 1 and statement 2 and then we will check. So when we will combine, you see we have the distance is nothing but L, which you have to find out, plus 180, this value I wrote it here, and then relative speed is also known, which is nothing but 150 kilometer per hour, and then time is also known, 9 seconds, right? So now we'll use the formula d is equals to st, where d is equals to L plus 180 is equals to S1 plus S2 is equals to 150 kilometer per hour. If you want to convert into meter per second, then multiply by 5 by 18 and into time is nothing but 9 seconds, right? Now 9 into 2 and 2, this will go by 75 times. So L is equals to 5 into 5 is 25 and 5 into 7 is 35 plus 2 is 37 minus 180, which will be nothing but equal to 195 meter. So the length of the train will be 195 meter, and this length we can get from both the statement together. So my answer will be statement 1 and statement 2 together is required to find answer, right? Question number 2. Question number 2 is also a data sufficiency question. Let's see how to solve this. So what is the length of a running train? So the question is what is the length of the train they are asking, right? And two statement is given, statement 1 and statement 2, right? So let's see statement 1 alone can answer or not. The train crosses a man in 9 seconds. The train crosses a man in 9 seconds, right? See, only time is given 9 seconds, a speed is not given, distance or length is not given, right? So from the statement 1 alone we cannot find out the answer, right? Let's take a statement 2. A train crosses a 240 meter long platform in 24 seconds, right? So a train is crossing a platform in 24 seconds and the length of the platform is 240 meter. So what is d? D is length of the first train and plus the platform. So what is the train length? That is not known, and 240 meter, right? What is the time? Time is 24 seconds. And what is the speed? A speed is again not given, right? So one variable which is not known, and this is the second variable which is not known, and we have only one equation, right? So from the statement 2 also we cannot answer, because a speed is not given and length is also not given. If a speed would have given, then would have easily calculated the length. Now if we'll combine s1 and s2, what will happen? See, after combining also we are not able to get the speed. Yes, right, after combining also we cannot get the speed. So my answer will be s1 and s2 both together are not sufficient to answer the question, right? So thanks for watching the video.